I'm a little late to the party, but what did it for me was 36 hours of battery life. This is my first impressions and unboxing of the Apple Watch Ultra. So let's get this thing unboxed. So we have the new box, different than we've had in the past, and we have this cool little design now. And I mean, this watch is meant for adventures, whatever that may mean, but we have a little pamphlet, booklet, with the new bands, kind of what this watch does. And yeah, who cares about that stuff? Get that out of the way. It's a titanium case and it's a 49mm band, which 49mm is the biggest Apple has made. They have the 42, the 44, then they have the 45 after that, and now a 49, so the biggest one. So as you can see, I got the Ultra, and I got the Starlight Alpine Loop. So let's get the band open first. In typical Apple form. You see it's Starlight, and it's got this little metal clasp here that is really how you are able to clasp on to the tightness of your liking. So now let's get to the fun part, the actual watch. And again, like I said, this is a first impressions video and unboxing. This isn't gonna be my full review. I've had this thing for probably 15 minutes, was just able to set up this shot, but I'm gonna be doing a full review down the road, a day in the life down the road with this thing. So make sure you hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. Make sure you're subscribed, make sure you have your notifications on so you can see when I upload content. When this first came out, we all thought it was really heavy. And until I went to the Apple Store and tried it on and kind of played with it, I learned that it's really not that heavy, which was very exciting to me and almost a real big selling point. Rated USB-C charger now, which is sort of like the MacBook chargers with this new braided cord, which is nice little touch, nice little addition. But now to the actual watch. As we open up the actual watch, we're brought to this big, flat 49mm screen that is really what this thing's made out of. We have the new scroll wheel, which is a little bit bigger. We have the button right here with the little cage to protect it. Flat screen, like I said, 49mm, this new orange action button, and most importantly, 2000 nits of brightness in the pure daylight. This iPhone I've talked about many times being 2000 nits of brightness, but now it's in a watch, which is extremely nice. And I'm coming from a 44mm Series 4, so for me, this is a huge upgrade. So let's get this turned on. Turns on the way all of them turn on. And the first thing we're gonna have to do is, of course, connect this to my phone and get my old watch and everything synced over. And that's the first step of business to get done. So there we are. These things are close. And continue. Go through this whole process, set up for myself. All right, so we're all synced up now. Watch to the phone, phone to the watch. And let's get this thing on and see what it's like in action. And again, I've said it multiple times, this is a first impressions video. I'm gonna put this thing through the test, see how it's like as my everyday watch, see what it's like, and give you my full review a little bit down the road when I have some real time with this thing and really figure out what it's all about. And here it is, here's the watch. Some stuff that's new that I haven't had in the past is the always on display, which I'm real excited about the watch doing it a lot more than the phone. It has a cool little animations, but like if you've had a watch, anything Series 7 and up, you know what the always on's all about. And one of the real good things that I'm real happy about is when I take this off, slicker look with the black sport band. I just love the feel and look of this. And I really do like the size, I'm not gonna lie. And it is a lot lighter than I thought, which for me is a good thing. So with that, this is my first impressions and my first look at this Apple Watch Ultra as it being my own, not one in the Apple Store. And I have a full video coming out soon, a full review of this thing, a day in the life. So make sure you hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. And again, I got this thing for the 36 hours of battery, which I'm really excited to put to the test. And until the next one, guys, thank you.
alright.